Dear students, in this lecture, we are going to see what is the need of international business. You see, any country cannot be self-sufficient in all types of items it requires. Like, we cannot be self-sufficient in all types of items or goods or services that we want in our life, and we need to go to the market and we need to purchase. Similarly, any country cannot be self-sufficient in all types of requirements, for all types of requirements. Therefore, a country will have to depend on another country or will have to purchase from another country some of the items which the country cannot produce. So this is the main reason why countries engage in international trade. The countries where the items cannot be produced, they import, and the country where the items can be produced in large quantities, they sell those items or the surplus quantity to other countries in the form of exports or international marketing. So this is the main or the prime reason why international business or international marketing is required. However, an important decision that any company has to make is whether to go international or not. The company may not want to globalize because of its huge market share in the domestic market, and do not want to learn new laws and rules of the international market. Some of the companies, their policy may be very conservative in nature. They do not want to take risk, and they have good market share in the domestic market, and therefore they are not at all interested to explore their products and services or market their products and services in international market. They are not interested to learn new things. They are not interested to face new laws and rules. International marketing or global marketing requires designing the marketing mix and customizing it according to the preferences of different nation and people. So this is another reason why some companies may not be interested to do international marketing, and some companies may be interested because they are open to such things. International marketing or global marketing requires designing marketing mix. Is the mix or is the combination of all marketing efforts that any marketer puts for marketing and promoting the product and the service in the market. Since international markets they vary as far as the market conditions are concerned, various factors that influence the market is concerned. Therefore, in different international markets, different type of marketing mix will have to be required. So therefore, designing of international marketing mix for different nations, different foreign markets will be required in international marketing. There are many advantages or benefits of entering in international marketing. However, at the same time, there are challenges also. Due to the advantages, business firms get encouragement to go international. Since many advantages are there in doing international marketing, so therefore business firms they become encouraged. For example, there is chance of making higher profits. There is chance of extending the product life cycle. There is chance of selling the product to unique segment of the market. So therefore, since these type of opportunities are there, so therefore companies they want to do international marketing, or this that we can say that these are some of the reasons why international marketing or international business is required or important.